Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrusandwillow Skincare and Citrusandwillow Advanced Aesthetic courses. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a true GLYMED facial. And the only thing that I have to decide between is if I'm gonna use the pancreatin as an exfoliant or if I'm gonna use the professional micro scrub as an exfoliant. That all depends on skin type. So come on, let's get started. So what I'm going to start out with is the Gentle Face Wash from GLYMED. It has a glycolic acid in it, so it's really anti-aging. It's a deep penetrating molecule, so it's really going to focus on those fine lines and wrinkles. Even if it's just a classic facial, we know that she's aging as she comes in, but you can use this Gentle Face Wash on pretty much any skin type. I'm gonna double cleanse with this Gentle Face Wash as well, so make sure that you're double cleansing. I'm a big fan of double cleansing. Next, I'm going to go into my exfoliator, and my options are either the professional micro scrub from GLYMED, and pancreatin is going to be more for gentle, dry skin. It also helps with hyperpigmentation, and this one is more of a manual scrub. The reason I'm going to choose between these two particular exfoliants is because the pancreatin is great to mix in with a cleanser or with a mask. You can also get your fingers wet. I like to get my fingers wet, place it on the skin, and massage it in for a few minutes. The other option is going to be the professional micro scrub. That's more of a manual scrub with beads, and you'll dip your fingers in some clean water and just exfoliate the skin by gently making circles on the skin around the whole face for at least a minute. I like to really get in there and really give a good exfoliation. After your exfoliator is completely removed, we're going to go into the massage if you choose, or straight into the mask. And the mask, I'm going to use this Ultra-Hydrating Enzyme Masque. It's super good. It's great for all skin types, pretty much all skin types except super oily skin. And it's green, so it's perfect for March. So I really love this one. I also am going to mix a little bit of Oxygen Power Booster in there just to give a little bit more oxygen to the skin. So it's going to be blended together and get benefits from the mask and from the Oxygen Power Booster. After the mask is removed, I'm going to put on this Derma Pigment Skin Brightener. It has glycolic and aloe in it, so it's good for skin types that need a little bit more of a cell turnover. We're going to go ahead and finish off with an SPF always, especially if it's during the day. If you're doing an evening client, I would pick the appropriate night cream to apply on top before they leave the treatment room. So let's go get started. now that I've applied my Dermapigment Serum, I'm gonna go into my CBD Regenerative Eye Cream. It's super good for delicate eye areas. It's also great as a makeup primer. Then I'm gonna go into my SPF or moisturizer, whichever one you choose. If it's at night, it would be a nighttime moisturizer. During the day, always, always, always SPF. And then I'm gonna go in with a little lippy, adding on some Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm from GLYMED. I really love it. It's super lightweight, but it has peppermint and spearmint, so it's really minty fresh. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was very informative for you. Write in the comments what you want to hear next. Give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a couple weeks.